Hi, and welcome to day 16 for our October Make With Me project. We are working on a Crochet Stitches sampler welcome mat, and today I'm going to show you how to make the side saddle stitch. Let's get started. I began by changing my color over to this light gray color, which counts as my chain one. So begin by chaining one and then make a single crochet into the first stitch, followed by chaining 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we are going to do what is called double crocheting and then insert the amount of stitches together. So we are going to double crochet 4 together. So we're going to yarn over like we're making a double crochet, insert our hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, but instead of finishing the stitch, we're going to go ahead and yarn over and insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So it's like we do the first half of the double crochet stitch and then begin another one. So we've done 2 stitches now. Here's our 3rd stitch. And our 4th stitch. You should have 5 loops on your hook. You'll yarn over and you'll pull through all 5. So that was double crochet 4 together. Then we are going to chain 1 and make a single crochet into the next stitch, like that. Then we are going to repeat that. We will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet 4 together, the next 4 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, pull through all the loops, chain 1, single crochet into the next stitch. I know I've said this before, I have a little hard time now that my work is heavier crocheting. And then we'll chain 3 and we'll repeat this pattern across this row. I will meet you guys at the end of the row. Okay, I just finished that first row of the side saddle stitch with a single crochet. Now I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn my work. And I'm going to make a single crochet into the first cluster. So do you see where they all came together? That's what we're going to call the cluster. And we are going to insert our hook into there, yarn over, pull through, and make a single crochet. And now the pattern will be very similar to the row we just did. So we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to do double crochet 4 together into the chain 3 loop. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, like I'm making a double crochet, but I'm not going to finish it. I'm going to begin the second one. And a 3rd one. And a 4th one. Now I will yarn over and pull through all the loops, chain 1, and make a single crochet into that next cluster. And there we go. This is the pattern we will follow across the row. So we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We will double crochet 4 together into the next chain 3 from the previous row. Oops. 3. And 4. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 5, chain 1, make a single crochet into the next cluster. And so this is what we are going to repeat across the second row. I will meet you guys at the end of this row. Okay, here I am at the end of the second row. I just finished a double crochet 4 together. I chained 1, and now I'm going to make a single crochet into that last stitch. Now I'm going to chain 1, turn my work. This is going to be our last row for this section. If you wanted it to be a bigger section, you wanted to crochet more, you just repeat these rows, and that is how you would go further. So I chained 1, I'm going to skip the stitch and I'm going to make a single crochet into that cluster. And then we're going to repeat that pattern, chain 3, and then double crochet 4 together in the chain 3 space. Chain 1, and then a single crochet into the next cluster. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'll start my next double crochet 4 together in the next chain 3 space. I will meet you guys at the end of this row. Okay, I'm at the end of this third row of the side saddle stitch. I just finished a double crochet 4 together section, and I chained 1. And if you remember on that last row we chained 5, so into the third chain I'm going to put a single crochet. And like I said, if you wanted the section to be larger, you could keep going following that same pattern across the row. My rug just feels like it's starting to get pretty long, so I decided to just do 3 rows of the side saddle stitch. I'm going to go ahead and chain 1 and single crochet across the row so that my next row is easier to crochet. So we'll do 66 single crochets across the row. Okay, so 66 single crochets across that row. I'll meet you at the end and this section will be complete. So here is the end of our side saddle stitch section. Join me tomorrow and I will show you how to make the iris stitch. See ya later!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.